In this video, we'll explore the 2004 to 2023 Toyota Sienna power outlet fuse location and provide in-depth information to ensure you get your power outlet back in working order. So let's get started. In the 2004 to 2010 Toyota Sienna, the power outlet fuse is located on the driver's side floorboard. So make your way down here and you'll see there's a black box with a diagram on it. So here they are. These are the two 15-amp fuses in blue color. They're for the power outlet and the cigarette lighter on the panel console. The 2011 to 2018 Toyota Sienna has two 12-volt power outlets, and in this section I will point out where you can find the fuses. The fuse box is under the driver's side. Just look above the floorboard, and you'll see a tiny white box with a diagram imprinted on it. So here they are. There are the two 15-amp fuses in blue color for the power outlet and the cigarette lighter on the panel console. If you are trying to find out the DC outlet fuse in the 2019 to 2023 Toyota Sienna, the fuse is located in the driver's kick panel. So here are the fuses that you need to check. There are three fuses that you need to pay attention to. The first one is a 20-amp fuse in light green color for the power outlet socket, and the other two are 7.5-amp fuse in brown color for the USB socket. So that's pretty much it. I hope this information was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.